Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are gonna solder a heart-shaped scintillation lamp with the help of the Andonstar microscope in today's video. Let's take a look. These are the things we need for soldering today. We have our Andonstar microscope, soldering iron, and these small components. Let's switch to the high-definition screen of the microscope to watch the soldering process. After all the components are soldered, cut off the excess wires, and we can power on the PCB. We can see that this widget has successfully lit up, and I think we can call it a successful soldering. That's all for today. If you have any suggestions, please leave your comments. Thanks for watching.